Why do Indians lack civic sense? The hard truth that no one talks about. Why do Indians excel in education, business, and technology, but fail when it comes to basic civic sense? From spitting in public to breaking traffic rules, India struggles with everyday discipline. Is it the government's fault, society's fault, or is it just us? Today, we expose the hard truth. No sugarcoating, just reality. Let's be brutally honest. India has a civic sense crisis. But what does that really mean? Civic sense is nothing but basic social responsibility, respecting rules, public spaces, and people around us. Now let's see how we fail at it. We take pride in keeping our homes clean, but outside, the streets are not our dustbins. In Japan and Switzerland, people carry their trash home. But in India, just throw it anywhere. Why do we lack this basic responsibility? Road rage, breaking signals, wrong side driving. India's traffic is a jungle. We lose 150,000 lives in road accidents every year due to reckless behavior. Who is responsible? We are. Taj Mahal, India Gate, railway stations. Why do we treat public spaces like garbage dumps? In the West, people are fined for such behavior. But in India, nobody cares. Millions in India suffer from water shortage, but many waste it like it's unlimited, leaving taps open, overusing water for washing cars. These habits are destroying our resources. In most developed nations, people patiently stand in queues. In India, it's a competition to break the line. Why can't we respect personal space and basic manners? Is it the government's fault? Is it the lack of education? Or is it just our chalta high attitude? The truth is, it starts with us. Civic sense is not about laws. It's about personal responsibility. If Indians can follow rules abroad, why can't we do it in our own country? Here's how we can bring change. Stop littering. Carry your trash. Use dustbins. Follow traffic rules. No honking. No rash driving. Respect public spaces. No spitting. No vandalism. Conserve water and electricity. Every drop, every unit counts. Educate and spread awareness. Start small. Inspire change. India dreams of becoming a global superpower, but without civic sense, can we ever reach that level? The choice is simple: discipline or disaster. The change starts with you. Comment below, what's the biggest civic issue India faces? Like, share and subscribe if you want to see a better India.